Hey guys, welcome back to another video. My name's Jessie. If it's your first time here, I hope you're doing super amazing. I do make a couple videos every single week, so make sure you hit that subscribe button if you want to see more videos from me, and also turn on notifications so you don't miss anything. I also have another channel about Peanut and Zuko, our two toy poodles, so if you're into them, make sure you give that channel a subscribe as well, and I will be posting all poodle and dog related content there from now on. In today's video, we're trying on some products from Insert Name here, and I've actually got a ponytail to try on as well as some bangs. I have made a previous video about two different types of ponytails, the Brit and the Mia, so make sure you do check that out as well if you haven't already. Today we have a different type of ponytail. We've got the Lola, which I just think is absolutely so adorable. I can't wait to try it. And we also have some bangs. This one here is the Zooey. I will pretty much be doing the unboxing, the review, the try on of these, and show you guys what it looks like on me. Great thing about Insert Name here is that if you're unfamiliar of what color to get, they actually do a color match for you, which just makes things so much easier. Now, as always, I do have a discount code for you guys as well, so make sure you use the code HeyIt'sJess for 15% off site-wide. As always, I will be leaving my discount codes in the description down below, along with all the items that I've mentioned today and where you can get yours as well. Alrighty, so without further ado, let's get straight into today's video. This is what the Lola looks like. It's mid-length with a little swoop on the end. I got this in the color black brown, and inside you can see there's the netting and then the clip on the top, which you poke through into your ponytail, and this curly piece here with the Velcro is basically for you to wrap around the ponytail so that the Velcro is hidden. And then they've also given you two bobby pins to pin it in place. So it is pretty straightforward. So the Lola is about 17 inches. It's made of vegan synthetic fiber from Japan, and it's also heat resistant up to 320 Fahrenheit. I'm gonna get my hair ready and put it into a ponytail. I like to use two elastics because I find that it holds a lot sturdier. Okay, so I've sectioned off my fringe and I've got my hair into a ponytail. Clips into the hair elastic. And once that's done, I kind of like to flip my hair down. I find that's easier. So that is on. I'm just going to brush it out so it styles a little better. You know, the cute puppy hairstyles you always see on Instagram, now you can have it. Is this just not the cutest hairstyle ever? You can obviously get rid of the fringe and tie it up if you want, or you can have your fringe out. But basically this is the length of the Lola. I just love how it gives your hair so much more volume as well. I love it. Alright, to remove it, it's super easy as well. You pretty much remove the bobby pins and the whole thing just kind of unravels. So next we're going to be trying this, which is the Zooey bangs. I have actually not put this on before, but I'm super excited. I'm always like in a love-hate relationship with bangs because I think they look amazing, but it's just so much maintenance. This is the perfect alternative. So it comes in this cute little box so it doesn't get squashed. Here it is. This is also in the color black brown. And if you have a look at the back, it's got 3 clips there. I love how this is actually quite a bit of volume that they give you for the bangs. Some bangs that you look at only really give you the front section and it just looks completely fake. This also has the side parts, amazing. And you guys, this is made of 100% Remy human hair. The fringe itself is about 6 inches. And then you've got the sides which are about 12 to 14 inches long. So what they've suggested when putting this on is actually to part your hair in the middle, which I have done already. And you align the fringe on how or where you want to place it and the length of it. You can also take this to your hairdressers for a custom cut for it to actually fit your face frame. And because this is 100% Remy human hair, you can actually cut, style and dye it however you want as well. But in saying that, it does say don't go bleaching or toning any of the products. Unlike these synthetic ponytails, this will not be an exact match for the color that you're getting. So definitely speak to one of the color experts to color match you, and that'll just make things so much easier. Alright, enough talking, let's try this on. So I've parted my hair down the middle and you kind of put it onto the top to the length that you want. You can kind of just fiddle around with it and play with it, like that is pretty much it. I think these come with a bit of a natural curl. Because my hair is straight today, I think I'm just going to straighten some parts so it blends a bit more seamlessly. I'm just so not used to this. Alright, so this is pretty much it. I can spend all day trying to get it perfect because it is super fiddly. Like the website recommended, you can definitely take this to your stylist and get it framed properly for your face. I think it looks quite cute actually. Definitely takes a bit of getting used to. Like I said previously, I really like how the side parts actually blend together. Brush it so it blends into your hair. You can definitely play around with this as well and turn it into a side part instead of the full bangs. And you can also wear this into a ponytail as well, so let's do that. Okay, so I've done a quick little pony and it seems to blend quite nicely because of the extra hair on the side. It looks quite blended, like you can't really tell it's a piece of hair at the front. Definitely can get a little fiddly though, so you do have to spend some time just placing it nice and correctly. But it really does change up your whole look. I'm actually really happy with these. You can get the look of bangs without the hassle. Alright, so that is all from me today. Thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. Connect with me in the comment section down below. Follow me on Insta if you want to see daily content. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye now, take care.